In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hold this line and drag it down to see all of your shortcuts and all of those labels. Once you're ready, look for location 1 and click on it. As you can see, mine turned gray, which means that location is off. To turn it back on, click on the same one until it's white. Quick tip: if you wish, you can also go into settings, scroll to tap on location section here, and use this switcher to turn it off or switch it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!